Your body is under attack, not from fast food, not from alcohol, not even from your toxic ex. No, I'm talking about the so-called innocent little habits you do every single day thinking you're fine, when in reality, they're low-key wrecking your body like a slow-motion car crash. You don't even see the damage happening until one day your back feels 80 years old. Your brain can't focus for 5 minutes, and your energy is dead before lunch. Let's expose these sneaky assassins before they turn you into a human potato. 1. Sitting like a damn statue all day. You think sitting is harmless? Nope. It's basically the modern-day cigarette. Your posture is collapsing, your back is screaming, your blood circulation is slower than your Wi-Fi, and you're setting yourself up for chronic pain. It's not just about exercise, it's about moving your body throughout the day. If you sit like a rock for 8+ hours, your body eventually becomes the chair. And let me tell you, nobody wants to live life shaped like a swivel chair. 2. Constantly looking down at your phone. Yeah, keep scrolling TikTok with your neck bent like a vulture. That's tech neck, and it's slowly destroying your spine and shoulders. Your head weighs like a bowling ball, and every inch forward multiplies the strain. Do it for years, and congratulations. You've earned a free hunchback posture and permanent neck pain. You wanted to look young, but instead you'll look like Gollum at 40. 3. Drinking way less water than you think. Coffee is not water. Soda is not water. And no, sparkling flavored hint of lime garbage is not water either. Most people live their entire lives slightly dehydrated, walking around with dry cells, foggy brains, and fatigued muscles. You're not tired, you're just thirsty. You don't need another latte. You need actual hydration. Stop treating water like a side quest. It's the main damn mission. 4. Skipping sleep like it's optional. Sleep is for the weak. Bro, no. Sleep is the reason you're still alive. Skip it too much and your brain performance tanks. Your body repairs itself slower and your hormones go berserk. You're basically trading years off your lifespan just to binge one more Netflix episode. If you treat your sleep like trash, don't cry when your health starts acting like trash too. 5. Stressing over every little thing. This one is silent but deadly. Chronic stress floods your body with cortisol, wrecks your immune system, messes with your digestion, and literally shrinks your brain. Let me echo that again. Stress shrinks your brain. You can eat kale all day, meditate twice a week, but if you're stressing 24/7, you're poisoning yourself slowly. Sometimes the healthiest thing you can do isn't a workout or diet, it's learning to chill the hell out. There you have it. 5 habits you thought were innocent, but they're secretly assassinating your body like ninjas in slow motion. Don't let them win. Move your body, fix your damn posture, drink real water, sleep like a king, and stop stressing over people who don't even matter. Your body isn't disposable. You only get one. Treat it like the machine it is, or watch it break down like an old car nobody maintains. So thanks you guys, and much respect to the both of you.